We have 5-year-olds that can talk neuroscience and talk about the 3 parts of their brain. They can talk about the frontal lobe or the frontal cortex and their thinking area of their brain. They can talk about their emotion area of their brain, and they can talk about more of their brain stem and that more reptilian part of their brain. I think that's just a unique thing that we've been offering our kids and really been working with them on for the last couple of years, because it shows them that sometimes behavior isn't a choice, but it's something that's going on. And then we're offering them a way to change their brain states in order to help manage and regulate their behavior better. And I do believe that has made our students very unique as they progress through our school and then go on to middle and high school. They'll have that capacity to regulate themselves.
Happy.
I'm happy.
I am healthy.
I'm healthy.
I'm loving.
I'm loving.
I'm caring.
I'm caring.
I'm successful.
I'm successful.
And every day in every way,
And every day in every way,
I'm getting better and better.
I'm getting better and better.
Believe it.
Believe it.
Today I'll do the right thing even if I don't feel like
Today
it.
I'll do the right thing, even if I don't feel like it.
Today I will treat people right even if I don't feel like
Today
it.
I'll treat people right, even if I don't feel like it.
Today I'll remember my willpower
Today I'll remember my willpower
is stronger than how I feel or what I think.
is stronger than how I feel and what I think.
What I want people to know about the Buddy Bench is that you're welcome to sit on it, you're welcome to use it, and if you see other people on the bench, ask them to play. It's awesome because it'll help you make new friends that way. And I also want people to know that you don't just have to be an adult to make a difference, you could be a kid too, and it all starts with you. One small thing can make a big difference. Just opening the door for someone, it makes a big chain reaction. Because other people will then want to do it because they felt kindness and they want to spread kindness, because I think that kindness is contagious. My advice to people that want to take their ideas to action is that you can do anything. Just one small thing can make a big difference. I started with 1 bottle cap, so anything can happen. And just remember that you don't just have to be an adult to make a difference, you could be a kid too.